Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a diamond. Now, to start off with this, we're going to draw a line that's going to go from here to here, and a line that's going to go from here to here. So we're just going to start off by making a nice little diagonal line like this. You want to leave some space, and I'm going to make that same diagonal line over here. Now, I want to make two lines that are going to go at a kind of at an angle, but not like super high up. They're just going to go a little bit and they're going to meet right in the middle. So I'm going to put just like a small little dot right there. And what I want to do is I want to draw one line that's going to go to here. And then I want to make another line that's going to go right to here. Now, the next step is I want to make two lines that are going to come down in the middle. So I'm going to kind of line this up, and we're going to bring them down to like right about there. Use the little dot as a guide. So I'm going to draw a nice straight line down to here. And then I'm going to turn my paper just to help me a little bit, and I'm going to make a nice straight line down to here, and we'll just make a nice point at the end. Now, we've got a few little details and stuff that we want to add into the center of this diamond shape that we're making. So the first thing we want to do is we want to make two little diagonal lines inside. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a little bit of a diagonal line. And I'm going to do the same thing over here. Make this one just a little bit longer. And then I just want to connect these, so I'm going to connect them with a straight line. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a little line down, and then another little line down right here. And then I want to make a line that's going to go straight across to connect them. Now, I want to bring or draw a line that's going to go from this corner to the point right here. So it should kind of look like a triangle after you draw it. So just to kind of break it down, you got a rectangle and a triangle. So we have the center of our diamond. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw a little diagonal line that's just going to go down. And then I want to do the same thing over here, just a little diagonal line. And then I'm going to make one that's just going to go right to here. And then another line that's just going to go right to there. Then starting here right at that little corner, I'm going to draw a line that goes right into here. And another one is just going to go right into that line. Now, right where we have this line, I'm going to draw a line that connects to here, and then one that connects right to there. Now, to finish off our diamond, starting right out here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a line that goes out, and I'm going to do the same thing over here, and I'm not going to go all the way to here. I'm just going to end it a little bit shorter. And then you want to draw a line that just kind of goes up. So you have like these two skinny little triangles at the end there. And there you go. There is your drawing of a diamond. Now there are lots of different ways you can color this. You can kind of color it realistic with just, you know, some light blues or light grays to look like a real diamond. Or you could bring in some different colors and do some color patterns in there. It's totally up to you. But I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.